But do you know something amazing about the Rahman? Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam informed in a hadith, very easy reference to remember. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 6000. Very easy. If you go on sunnah.com, click Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 6000. Easy reference. The beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah divided his Rahim into 100 parts. Allah divided his Rahim, his mercy, into 100 parts. From those 100 parts, it is only from one part he created everything in the universe. Allahu Akbar. It is only from one part of that Rahim. He created the entire universe, and all the love and affection you see between each other amongst the creation is only from that one part of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. All the prophets of Allah, all the messengers of Allah, all the love our parents love us, all the love we give to our parents, all the love humans have for each other, all the love animals have for each other, everything in the universe is only from one part of the Rahim of Allah, including Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is from only that one part of Rahim of Allah.